Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys how you can change your touchpad settings. Very simple and easy. So I think this settings is going to help you type well or prevent you from having complications when you're typing. So to do this, the simple way to do this is to just search touchpad on here. You can see this, so let's expand this. Good, so we are here. So you can see on default mine is on medium sensitivity. You can change it to high. If you don't have any problem when you're typing, you can change it to high, most sensitive, low sensitive. If you think you have problems anytime you are typing, you can change it to low sensitivity. But then for me, I think medium is okay. So that's it on how you can change your touchpad settings on your Windows PC. So if you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel, and also check out my other videos on Windows. I have a lot of them on my channel. You can check them out as well. So that's it for the video. Once again, peace.